Hi Nina.
Hello.
So, another weed walk. What are we looking at today?
A couple of weeks back, we were wondering what is growing and what is fruiting now. And that time, this ivy gourd were very young.
Right.
So we didn't do it that time.
Right.
So by now, it must be matured
There's
a little.
some ivy gourd coming up everywhere on the farm,
Oh my
and we're
God.
starting to take it for the salad
Oh my God.
and for the basket.
Oh
and
my
it's
God, let's find it.
literally my favorite.
Mine too.
Yeah, it's so
really,
crunchy and tasty.
really wonderful.
Nice. So
Oh,
here it is.
here is ivy gourd.
These drawings are so lovely. You just feel like to engage with them, no? What a medium to learn about something through a coloring book.
Right, and
really
it's
unique.
there. You find it here, and you want to find it, go and find it in the reality.
Yeah.
Here is the colored one.
Right.
And
So
you
these red fruits.
And this red fruits, I say that it's really, really attractive to not just humans, but many plants, many birds and
Yes.
animals eat
Yes,
it too.
they love it.
So I always recommend, collect things optimally and not there's a concept of optimal and maximum.
Okay.
So collect as much as you need for the time rather than a lot.
Right.
Because
So you allow other
you
animals to eat
you
it.
let other animals to eat it because sometimes that's our nature, that when we are collecting we get so engaged in the collection that we want to collect every single bit. It's
Yeah,
okay
it's
not
a
to.
beautiful concept. Yeah, it's a nice way of looking at it. We do collect this and we put it in the salad sometime, and it's very nice visually and the taste and.
It's beautiful, and the red fruit you can make it, of course, eat it in the salad, but it makes a fantastic juice.
Okay.
Yeah, so let's find it and we
Let's
will
go.
talk more about it.
Nice. So many weeds. Look, here it is.
Yes,
This is a nice example. Because he's got this lovely structure. Look, the ivy gourd just.
It's beautiful. I have the leaves when it comes new. They are so shiny,
Yes.
and then it's nice to eat
Yeah.
raw, cooked, and in any form. And then when the fruit ripes, you can eat. In Tamil, it is called kovakai. You know the fruit which is when it's green, but the cultivated variety of this fruit comes to the market. And that's kovakai, which is popular across India. It's called tindora or what is that? Kundru in Hindi.
Right.
And so these are
But
very.
this one you can't eat like that.
That
It's too
one you
bitter,
can.
no?
Yes, you cannot eat the wild one, the green fruit.
As a vegetable, right?
As a vegetable, but you wait until it become ripe.
fruit, yes.
And can we find maybe we have some?
Yeah, look, some have fallen here. Look,
Yeah.
here. There's some there. Look.
They are absolutely wonderfully ripe and good to eat in anything.
And
Chutney.
we open it up.
Yeah, you make it chutney, you make it in whatever. Oof, beautiful. This is excellent also. When you finish making it, like whatever you make it, you finish making it and you put it in the sieve. Remember to collect the seed because these are absolutely wonderful plant to grow. As the plant is growing and the leaves are coming up, shiny, beautiful leaves, the leaves are entirely edible as raw. Put it in the pot herb, cook. And sandwiches, and it has so many uses.
Oh, I really like this. It's very nice.
Somebody, there is a person who is a medical professional in PIMS who has given me a recipe once about how to make a juice out of it, and I also
I
had
saw it on
recreated.
your Facebook page.
And
Beautiful.
it's really wonderful. But I have a story about this fruit. This fruit, it's called bimba in Sanskrit, and in Indian literature, always say the gods and goddesses they are compared to nature. Their eyes are beautiful like lotus leaves,
yes.
and
Yes.
so their lips are always, they are compared to Bimba.
Really?
And
Okay.
to the extent that Bimbodhara is a name of a Lakshmi
Okay.
who has a beautiful lips, red lips, like this one.
How
So,
beautiful.
so
How
it is so
beautiful.
integrated in the culture that
Yes.
even the gods and goddesses are actually described by this
How
plant.
beautiful. And it deserves nothing less than that. Such an amazing.
Right, and it is
Amazing plant.
also an amazing plant for balancing, for sugar balancing.
Right.
I mean, if you have any sugar issue, one of the first plant you should take and eat plant or fruit or vegetable from the market, whichever you have access to,
ivy
is this
good,
plant.
right.
So it's really, really
And another,
wonderful
I mean,
and beneficial for that.
on the question of food security, again, when we're looking at weeds, we're not saying necessarily, you know, this is like wheat. It's going to be just cover this much percentage of our food, but this is one element of a diet that is everywhere. Like today in Oroville, everyone could eat this if
Yes,
they wanted,
absolutely.
at least as a percentage of their diet.
Absolutely.
So even a couple of times a week, they're having that as a percentage of their diet throughout the year. What's the significance of that? And the significance of all the other weeds? This for me is definitely something that you know, illustrates the power of local weeds and in addressing food security as well.
It also illustrates, this particular plant also illustrates the power of weed per se, because even the cultivated variety, if you keep the seed from the cultivated variety of the fruit, it doesn't germinate.
Right.
So only the cultivated variety only germinates through cutting.
Yes,
Whereas,
I heard that.
whereas the
That's
wild
why I
one,
don't have the cultivated
yes,
variety
you shouldn't.
here.
You shouldn't. I mean, you know,
Not
you
that
have
I
the-
don't want, but
Yeah.
it's not coming easily.
You
no?
need, yeah, you need not, because you have the seeds which grows naturally. You know, get benefit of the greens, and when it's ready, you have the benefit of the fruit. And
Beautiful.
as I was mentioning before, that not just humans, I mean, all birds and bees, they love this fruit. So we, you know, it would be nice when people take that consciously.
Yes,
and
take what
a
they
few-
need,
Yeah, take
not
what they
all of
need,
it.
and leave it for the, you know, have a wonderful picnic together.
Beautiful. Nina, thank you so much. Thank you, Ivy Good. Nice, beautiful.
Yes.
And we'll see you in the next wheat walk.
Yeah. Yeah.
Lovely.
And you know, look at this place. There's so much
It's
to do.
endless. It's
Yeah.
endless.
Yeah.
Come.
பசுமையிலே பனித்தவழுதே மலரிலே
Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and leave your email in the link that is provided in the description. We are launching a crowdfunding campaign to reprint this book and 2 books in this series. And it is our opportunity to reclaim from the past, learn from the present what is here and now, and take this knowledge to the children in the schools. And I want your help in this. So please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next Weed Walk.